Welcome back to my channel, Dhruvi Programming Academy. Today, we are writing a Python program to welcome the user and calculate his percentage of marks by asking him his marks out of 50. Now, we are using a comment to write this. Hash is used to represent comments in Python, so this will not be executed in the program. So let's get started. Let me declare a variable name because I want to welcome the user. So I have to ask him his name. So name is equal to input, and the message should be enter your name. Enter your name. Since we want a string here, we are not writing anything before input and a space. Okay. So this will give me the name of the user. Now let us print the name with a good welcome message. Say hello. So I'm writing hello and then followed by a comma and name, the variable, because I want Python to actually take the value inside the variable name. So I have not enclosed it in double quotes, and that is why Python will take the value of the variable name and it will print whatever it is, say hello, Ria, whatever. Uh, Now I want to calculate his percentage of marks by asking him his marks out of 50. So let us first ask the user for the marks. So I'm writing, say, a variable marks equal to, now I want this value in the form of integer. So I'm writing int and then input and then enter your marks. Right. Okay, we want it out of 50, so we specifying here only out of 50. Correct? Okay. If you don't know how to take input, I have explained it in my previous video. Do check it out first. So this could be very easy for you. Marks we have taken from the user. Now I want to calculate the percentage. So I'll declare a variable, say p, and then I'm writing marks. Since these marks are out of 50, so I'm writing divide by 50. And then I am multiplying it with 100. Okay. This is the simple way of calculating percentage. Marks divided by out of marks into 100. I've done just that. And then we want to print the percentage. So I'm writing print. And then a good way of writing it is always um, giving a statement first and then printing the value for the user to understand better. So I'm writing the percentage of your marks is, and then I'm separating it with the comma, and then I'm writing p because I need the value of this variable p to be printed. Then again I want the percentage sign, so I'm again writing a comma, and I am writing percentage. These commas are basically used to separate the variables and the strings. Okay, now let us save this file. Save as we are writing this inside this. So let us write percentage dot py, and we are saving it. Okay, So we have percentage dot pi. Let us check. See, uh, Python percentage dot pi. Okay, it would be better to understand it like this. Okay, sorry. So this was our program, and this is the output screen. Enter your name. Say we are entering Ria. Hello Ria, and we are right. So it printed hello Ria. Now it is asking enter your marks out of 50. We enter say 40. So what it did was 40 divided by 50 into 100, and it calculated the percentage of marks, and it is giving 80%. I hope you are clear with this simple program on calculating the percentage of marks. I have a very simple concept for you which will be very useful in competitive exams. Of course, it is not related with the program, but it is related with output statements in Python. So let's first check it out. So we have seen in output statements in our previous video. I wanted to tell you about this simple concept where we use the word format. Now we don't generally use it while writing programs, but it is very important according to competitive exams where MCQs are asked. So if you see such a question where something like this is asked, or whatever is related to format is asked, so what it does is basically I have taken two variables m comma n is equal to 10 comma 5, which means the value of m is 10 and n is 5, and we are basically printing the sum of m and n, but not by directly using m and n, but by using their indexes. So whatever is enclosed within these curly brackets is their index. So I am asking it to print the sum of the number that is uh, on index number 0, that is 10, and the number or the value that is on index number 1, that is 5, is 15, and then it needs to take the values of index 0 and 1 from somewhere. So I'm using format, and then I am enclosing it with round brackets, and inside I am writing m comma n. So I am telling it to take the value from the variables m and n, but take it in such a way that the index the value at index 0 should be printed and the value at index 1 should be printed. Now I hope you understand better using this example. So the same thing, m and n is equal to 10 comma 5. The sum of index 0 is 10. So the sum of 10 and index 1 is 5. 5 is 15. And the format m comma n is basically asking you to take values from here. I hope this is clear with you, and also the program that we wrote previously. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you.